Hi folks, Bob Serva from Fusion. I'm going to go over a few things with our new 3-inch XP Pro. It's still in development. We will be showing it at the SHOT Show, which is not the final revision, but very close. We've done a lot of changes, advanced the platform. We continue to do continuous improvements on it from, your customer feedback, which has been really excellent for us. We really appreciate that. The XP Pro and the 3-inch, and we started out with a basic grip design and magwell design, very similar to the original XP Pro. Everybody loved the concept. Everybody loved what we were going with the platform. They still had some issues with the grip and the texture and the way it felt. So again, we went back to the drawing boards. Where do we go from there? Well, we started doing a lot of different iterations of 3D printing with the actual textures, radiuses on the grip, different styles of magwells, with our brothers over in Ergonomics, and it's been just a great collaboration working together with our team, and we do this daily with each other, back and forth with our development teams, and then we're sending them out to our test teams to test the products. We're not just creating a pistol here, we're creating a platform, and you're going to see this continue to expand alongside our other product lines as larger platforms. We obviously did a bunch of 3D printing and testing of these grips, and now we've kind of settled in on the final grip stage and the texturing stages on the slide and frame, but we still have a few things to go. We're very close with this. You'll be able to preview the new 3-inch at the SHOT Show, but again, you may see some changes coming in the future as we bring in a lot of that feedback from the SHOT Show and from our test groups that are out there right now. We'll be able to look at those things. We'll be really advancing this as we go, but we've been extremely excited about the 3-inch platform. We've been working on it for over a year now, refining it and refining it and refining it. We finally got it to a place where I'm passionately happy about it right now. Like I said, there's a few loose ends we want to tighten up on this, but other than that, we're in really good shape, and we really would love to see you come by, take a look at the new 3-inch, put it in your hand, let us know what you think. It's important to us, again, for your feedback on obviously, the gun tuber channels and that, but when we go to the shows, it's really important to us to meet our customers, be there with you guys, and really get some face-to-face feedback on the products so we can continually develop it and make it special for you. Thank you so much.